When is a breakdown in judicial process considered a structural error? Imagine a courtroom where the very foundation of justice is compromised. This scenario raises an important question about the integrity of the judicial system. A breakdown in the judicial process can be considered a structural error when it fundamentally undermines the fairness and reliability of the trial itself. Structural errors are distinct from other types of errors that may occur during a trial. They are not merely mistakes made by the judge or jury, but rather flaws that affect the entire framework of the legal proceedings. For example, if a defendant is denied the right to counsel, this is a structural error. The presence of legal representation is crucial for ensuring that the defendant's rights are protected and that they receive a fair trial. Without this essential element, the integrity of the judicial process is compromised. Another instance of a structural error occurs when a jury is improperly instructed on the law. If jurors do not receive accurate guidance on how to apply the law to the facts of the case, their verdict may be based on misunderstandings or misconceptions. This can lead to unjust outcomes and erodes public confidence in the legal system. Additionally, structural errors can arise from systemic issues, such as racial bias or discrimination within the judicial process. If a court fails to address these biases, it can lead to unequal treatment of defendants based on race, ethnicity, or socioeconomic status. Such systemic failures are not isolated incidents but rather reflected a broader breakdown in the judicial process that warrants serious scrutiny. It is important to note that structural errors are often considered reversible errors. This means that if a structural error is identified, the affected party may be entitled to a new trial or other remedies to ensure justice is served. The legal system recognizes that the stakes are high when fundamental rights are at risk, and addressing these errors is essential for maintaining the rule of law. In summary, a breakdown in the judicial process is considered a structural error when it undermines the core principles of fairness, equality, and justice. These errors can manifest in various ways, from the denial of legal representation to systemic biases, and they highlight the need for vigilance in upholding the integrity of the legal system.